Hello and welcome. So on this short video, I'm going to walk you through on how to update your Terraform version. Now, to take you through a walkthrough, right here on my terminal, this is a command prompt, by the way. So, command prompt is here. So on my terminal here, and again, this is a Windows device. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Terraform, give a space, and then I'll put in version. Let's make a correction to that. There we go. So when I run in Terraform space minus minus version, I see that I have my Terraform version to be 1.9.1, right? And again, on Windows AMD 64. Now, when you look below here, it says the version of Terraform is out of date. So the latest version is 1.9.5. Now, in order for me to update, I need to go to this particular website to download and then install. And that is exactly what we're going to be doing. Now, to do so, I can go ahead and highlight and copy this. Now, once I copy, I come into my browser right here, and I paste this in here. Now click on enter. Now, when I click on enter and I scroll down, right, shows me how I can go ahead and download the package. Now, remember, I'm working on Windows, so I'll come down to the Windows package, binary download. I'm not working with 386, I'm working with AMD 64. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download this. Now, to start downloading, right, automatically when you look above here, you see that it says unconfirmed, which simply means that something is coming in from the public internet. Now, once we wait a couple minutes, we're able to confirm what is downloaded. And then when we look back into this particular page, it comes up as what? Terraform. Now, as you can see, this is in a zipped format. So we are going to attempt to unzip this. Now, I'm going to right click on this. And when I click on it, I'm going to click on what? Extract all. So when I click on extract all, this is going to come up. Now, I could go ahead and copy this, but I'm going to remove this for reference purposes. And then I'll replace that with what? Terraform. Now, once I've done that, I'll highlight and I'll copy this. And once I copy, I can now click on what? Extract. Now it says the destination has two files with the same names. Of course, we are going to add this to the path of our device. And I already have two of these in here. And I want to update. So yes, I'm going to do what? Replace the files in the destination. I'm not going to skip these files or let them decide for themselves. So I'm going to click on replace this, and this would automatically replace the information. Now, to make things a little bit more direct, I'm going to go ahead and search for this. So I'll go to my search bar. On my search, I will search for edit system, and this is going to come up, edit the system environment variables, right? So I'll click on edit system environment variables. And once I click on that, this is going to come up. Right here, I'm going to click on environment variables, and this is going to come up. Now, I'm not going to go to the environment variables. I'm going to come to the system variables. Under the system variables, I'm going to go to path. Now, in path, I'm going to click on edit, and once I'm here, you can now see the two information that is replaced, right? So I can click on new, and I can go ahead and paste this in. One thing I can do though is I could, before I paste this in for reference, I can remove this. I can go ahead and delete this. I can also go ahead and delete this as well. I can come right here and then I'll paste in this one and I'll click on OK, right? Then I'll click on OK and I'll click on OK. Now I have everything good, right? So if I come back to my CMD and I type in Terraform space minus minus version, and I click on enter. Let's see what happens. There we go. So you see that this has been updated, right, to Terraform 1.9.5. So this is one of the simplest and easiest way you can update your Terraform version on a Windows device.